Hi, in this video, I'll walk you through the formatting college workbook as instructed. I'll follow every step clearly to make the worksheet visually appealing and easy to use. So firstly, we have to check name in documentation, cell B6. In B6, we have to check the documentation name, yes. And then, as instructed, first step, we have to apply office style, office theme, so the workbook matches the development office style. So I'm going to the page layout, then clicking on the themes and selecting the office. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to the capital campaign worksheet. Here, firstly, I am merging and centering A1 to F1 and applying DevHeading style for the title. So I have selected A1 to F1 and next go to the merge center first and then cell styles and wave heading. Yes. And in the same way, next I'll merge and center the subtitle area and apply the Dev subheading style. Yes, I have selected A2 to F2. Dev subheading. Done with this. And next, I'm selecting from A4 to B5. A4 as instructed. I have selecting A4 to B5. Just A4, B5. And then I am applying the note style to highlight the campaign start date and goal. We can find that note. Yes, done with this. And now I'm just selecting A4 and A5. Yes, A4 and A5. Yes, and changing the font italic and right align it. Yes, done with this. And now we have to change the format of the date. We just need date and the month. So right click, format cells. Here we can use custom. And then we can find here date and the month. Yes. And now our next instruction is to formatting the table headings with bold centered text and applying the specific dark blue color. So firstly I am selecting all the headings and then bold, yes, done with the bold and centered text, and now we have to apply the color. They have specified in the instructions very clearly with the column and the row. We can select from them very easily. And our next step is to show the label applies to multiple rows. I am merging A8 to A10. And now using the format painter, we can just do the same thing for A11 to A16. Then I have selected. Oops, just a second. Yes, here comes that. And next for the last silver one. And done with this step. And now our next step is to the columns show. We have to select B8 to B16. We have to add the currency to all these numbers. So we are just, you can follow the steps as shown in the screen. Here we can select, like there are many dollar symbols. You can just go to the United States. And also they mention very clearly that with 0 decimals. With 0 decimals, so we are decreasing the decimal place. And okay, yes, and we got this. Enough. We are just checking with the final figure. And now we have to just copy this format for the donor count column. Like we have to apply number format. Oops. Currency, the same thing. We have to choose the dollar symbol and the decimal is 0. Just the same, we have to just copy the format which we have done before, B8 to B16, and same format for D8 to E16 for both the columns D and the E. Done with this. And now coming to the column C. For the donor count column, I am applying the number format and centering it. Number and 0 decimals. Okay. And now we have to keep it center. Yes. Done. And now for column F8 to F16, we have to add the percentage symbol with 1 decimal. And our next step is to shade rows 8 to 10 with a light blue gray to visually separate the gift levels. So the platinum level, as per the instructions, we are choosing a color from the color palette. It's the blue gray. And for the column 2, like column gold, we are having the different color which is all mentioned in the instructions very clearly with the column and rows from the color palette. Now by using the format painter, we can choose the color of silver from the platinum. Yes, done with this. And our next step is to make the table clearer. So here I am applying all the borders around the data range. Choosing the borders. Now going to the borders and selecting all borders. Yes, now here we can see all the borders very clearly, and all the data we can just separate it very clearly. And now we are done with this sheet. We are going to the prospects sheet. Here firstly we have to copy the title and the subtitle from the capital campaign worksheet. So I'm copying the and just pasting here. Yes, done with the title, and now here comes the subtitle. And the next step is to select, firstly we have to select just the cells B5 and C5, and apply the accounting number format with no decimal place. We have selected the columns and going to the number and accounting and 0 decimals. The 0 decimals. So decreasing and okay. Yes, done with this. From B6 to C12 and D5 to E13, we are using the comma format. Firstly, we have to select B6 to C12, and then same, we have to go to the number and selecting the in the number we can find their use comma separator. So done with this. And now the same thing we have to do for D5 to E13. Selecting the columns, yes, and doing the same thing. We have to change the decimals to 0. And done with this. And now our next step is to copy formatting of merged cells E5 to E7, E12. Yes. As you can see, we are using format painter. Done with this. Now as instructed, I have to merge these cells to match the style of other recommendation labels. Yes, it's just for the capital donors. We have to do this. Yes, merge and center, and then vertical center. So it can match the remaining styles. And our final step is to replacing the word donors with gifts as preferred by the office. So we are going to editing, and there we can find and select. Just go to replace. Here we can write, I have already written it, the word which we want to find and replace. So we have to select replace all. Then yes, now here all the replace donors are replaced by gifts. So finally just we are checking is everything correct as the final look. So everything is correct, but yeah, percentage of gold, it that didn't save. So we can just do that once again. Choosing the percentage with one decimal. Yes. Done with this and everything looks perfect. And now checking the other worksheet. Everything matches perfectly. Oops. We have to change it to the dollar symbol. So going to currency and then changing into the dollar symbol. Done with this. Yes. So we'll just see once again. So this is the documentation worksheet, capital campaign, and then finally this. Yes.